two drill collets that come with the machine that are both the same. One of them is for the latch drill and one of them is for the faceplate router. So we'll take a piece of key stock, put it in the keyway on the motor, and slip the drill collet on. Push it on as far as it'll go on the motor and tighten the two set screws. The opposite end of the drill collet has a hole that's a 1/2 inch in diameter, and there's a roll pin that goes through that interferes with the hole. So it requires drill bits that have a 1/2 inch diameter shaft with a flat on them so that they will always line up with the set screws. So once we've turned the air and electrical on, then we can push the motor start buttons to see which direction the motors are turning. The rotation of the motors should match the arrows at the back on the fan shrouds and should be turning in a counterclockwise direction when facing the shaft.